Hey guys, this is Future Crypto. After this video, if you have any queries about this video or any other, let me know through your comments. I will definitely answer it. In this video, we are to see about the most important 5 things in crypto trading. The first point is study yourself. Apart from all the predictions and sources of news, the very important thing is study yourself. The crypto trading market is available 24/7. It is very difficult to predict the ups and downs in the crypto market. Analyze the previous day prices and some market conditions will surely help you to avoid the huge loss. In the beginning stage, it is more important to study the market status, commission, exchange and futuristic things of that. Analyzing plays a massive role in your crypto trading because trading is happening all over the world. Analyze and make your own chart for which you are going to buy and track the price of it and also see its website rank. Make note of it when it got hike, when it got surge, when it had got back. These questions can be only answered through your studies. Finally, analyzing and studying by yourself will help you to take correct decisions in crypto trading. The second point is patience. We know that crypto trading is not like share market. We have much more time to sell and buy and also have the facility to fix the buying and selling price as much as we wish. So we don't have to worry about the loss. Nowadays, beginners in crypto trading are expecting to have a huge profit in short term. But it is too dangerous and this will make you have a failure step in crypto trading. Most of the beginners lose their money like this, without patience. If the invested coin gets surged, just wait and watch. It will surely get a hike, maybe in a day or a month or a year. The time taken may be long, but the patience will give you a good profit. Keep it in your mind that if your coin gets down, recall your mind that this is a long-term investment. It will definitely gives you a good profit, but needs some time. If your coin falls down, keep checking its condition once a day. It will help you in analyzing your thoughts. Finally, a little patience will give you more profit. The third point is investing in long term or short term. In our research, the investment is based on two ways to increase our money. The ways are long term investing and short term investing. The profit that you are to get in this two way is totally based on your investing amount. If the investment is made in huge amount, it will be automatically give you good profit in short term. If your investment is small, must wait a long time to get a good profit. Investing large amount for long term is also a good idea, but investing small amount for short term is useless. We suggest the beginners that if you are investing any amount, invest it for a long term. Don't invest large amount for short term. You may also test your patience through this to check whether this trading is suitable for you or not. We suggest the beginners to invest in altcoin, which has small value. Thus, many are investing in long term for their future benefits. Finally, terms of investment is also one of the major point in crypto trading. We are notifying you that short term is little risky than long term investment. Thus, we say in short note that small amount for long term and huge amount for short term. So, make sure your investment amount and investing way. The fourth point is choosing a trade exchange. This is one of the most considerable thing for best trading. Some exchanges are made through iOS and Android platform. We never suggest the trading exchange, but we guide you to choose the trade exchange under the following qualities. The first one is the speed and performance is a basic need for the best trading. The second one is user-friendly option to make a good trading in exchange platform. Third one is commission paid for every transaction must be lower. Fourth one is finally the transaction should be much better comparing the other. The above 4 points may guide us to choose a good trade exchange platform. Fifth point is choosing and investing in an altcoin. Correctly choosing and investing in an altcoin is important in crypto trading. Focus on the altcoin, it will give you more benefits. Particularly, small value altcoin is very useful to increase your profit. Because already I told in this video, investing in small value coin is preferable for making more money. Finally, choosing an altcoin is important to have a stable income for the crypto trading. For more about crypto updates, subscribe Future Crypto. Thank you guys. Meet you up with next content.